Hello, CA warriors. How are you all doing? Friends, today we are going to start with a very interesting topic. But, friends, before that, remember the goal of this video is not to go deep into every single concept, but to give you a crisp, exam oriented summary so that you know what is important and how to remember it smartly. This book and video together will act as your perfect self study partner. And I'm super confident, guys, that after this revision, you will be able to solve any MCQ that come your way in the exam. So let's begin this rapid fire revision session. And yes, if you find these notes helpful, don't forget to share them with your friends. Let's start with Chapter 4, Unit 2, Determination of Price. In this chapter, we'll quickly understand, guys, how price of goods and services are set in the market. Oh, and what do you mean by equilibrium price? Okay, let's start. So, first point which comes in our mind is what is price? Friends, price simply means the exchange value of goods and services. In simple words, it is the amount of money you pay to get the product. That's all. So simple. So whenever you buy something from the market, the money you pay, it's called price. Am I correct? Yes. Now, so you understood the price. Now, the next point comes how the prices are determined in the market, how the prices are get fixed in the market. So, guys, price determination actually depends on the two types of markets. That is free market and controlled market. Means, wait. Guys, free market means it is a market without any government interference. Means government interference is not there. Government have not is not controlling this market. It is free from the government. That's why it's called free. That means in this market, force of demand and supply freely adjust themselves to reach equilibrium price. Means in this market, prices are decided by actually demand factor and supply factor. For example, luxury goods, branded products, and other non-essential items. Friends, in simple, what I want to say is in a free market, prices are decided purely by buyers and sellers through their mutual interactions, right? Now, means buyer demands and supply sell. That is, and you know what? Buyer and seller, where when fix the prices, the market prices get auto adjusted. If demand is more than supply, price rises. If demand is supply, if demand is more than supply, it takes inflation takes place. If supply is more than demand, deflation prices falls, deflation takes place. So market keeps on auto adjusting by interaction of demand and supply. Oh, okay. So now what is controlled market? Guys, controlled market, if when you're going to study, you'll understand free market better. Guys, it is a market where government interference and government interference is there and they control the prices. Okay, means in this market, prices of the goods and services are not set by demand and supply factors. Government fix the prices. If government says today is the price will be 20 rupees, that's all 20 rupees, irrespective what is demand and what is supply. Okay. Now, but government can fix the prices either fully or partially. Means either complete control, whatever government says set the price that is final, or sometime government decide the price by considering demand and supply factor also. It's called partial. Okay. Now, what is the aim of controlled market? The aim is to make essential goods available to everyone at reasonable rates. Yes, guys. That's why you know what? For necessity goods like petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal, fertilizer, wheat, rice, necessity goods, etc., are controlled by the government. Oh, so guys, the conclusion is free in a free market, prices are decided by demand and supply factors, and in controlled market, prices are fixed or influenced by government. Okay, okay, sir, we understood. But you know what? Nowadays, government never interfere in the markets. Okay, businessmen are free to decide whatever prices they can. Okay, but for some basic necessity today also in India, government fix the prices. What is equilibrium price? Next topic. Now, or it is called market clearing price. Guys, equilibrium price is that point where demand and supply equals. You know that. At this price, market is balanced. There is no surplus and no shortage. That means it is a point. Now, equilibrium point is actually a point where both buyers and sellers are totally satisfied and happening. Oh. Yes, but friends, this topic I have already explained you very much in detail in chapter 2, unit 4. So we are not repeating because we are smartly studying these all things. Okay, so we have already studied this concept. You can refer chapter 2, unit 4. Fine. So by this unit 2, hope you understood just free market and controlled market. So that's it, my dear students. This was your quick revision session. Simple words, clear concept. Now there is no room for confusion. If you understood everything in one go, say yes, sir, and give it one more quick revision. Remember, smart study is the best strategy. Keep revising, stay confident, and believe in your preparation. And don't forget to tell your friends that these notes are total exam lifesaver. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and I will see you in the next rapid fire revision.